Adding invitees to an event will alert those that receive the invite about the event, and if they accept the invitation, add the event to their calendar as well. So let's add an invitee to the staff meeting event. I'm going to enter Drew, who is saved in my contacts. You can also add an email address or phone number for people not saved as a contact. Since this is a recurring event, we can choose to add him as an invitee for just this specific meeting or all of them. I'll choose all. Now we can continue adding invitees or click Send. Over on Drew's iPhone in his calendar app, it appears in his inbox. Drew can view the details of the event, see who the invite is from, and then accept, decline, or reply maybe to the invite. Let's accept it. And back on the Mac, we can see that Drew accepted that invite from here in the event. Click on the invitee name, and we have options to show their contact information. Re-invite them, send them an email about the event, or remove them from the event, uninviting them. Next, let's invite Warren on the Mac to this night ski event on Drew's iPhone. Once that's sent, in Mac Calendar, the invite is displayed in my inbox, where I can accept, decline, or reply maybe. If I decline, the event is removed from my calendar, and Drew will be alerted that I have declined. Over in the Replied tab of the inbox, I still have access to the invite, so if I change my mind, I can still switch my reply to maybe or accept. Switch to maybe, and the icon next to Warren's invite on the iPhone changes to a question mark. Switch again to accept, and it becomes a green check mark. Let's go back into the staff meeting details and remove the invite. That will change the event to canceled over on the iPhone since Drew is no longer invited, displaying it in a faded gray. Drew could then completely remove the event from his calendar. Sending and replying to invites can be a great way to add coworkers, friends, or family to events.